Hi. So for today's video, we will be talking about scalar quantity and vector quantity. Now, bakit kailangan natin siya pag-usapan? Kasi nga, when we deal with physics, we always deal with measurements and units. And with this particular units, you will be meeting units such as scalar and vector, or quantities such as scalar and vector. Now, I'm going to show you a video presentation wherein I will try to at least make you understand the concept without even memorizing about it. Okay, so assume you're standing at this point and now your friend tells you na meron treasure pot 50 kilometers away from home. So, how long will you take to find it? Paano mo siya hahanapin? Now, saan direction ka pupunta? Pwedeng dito, pwedeng dyan, or pwede sa iba't ibang direction. Mahirap talaga na hanapin kung saan. Kasi nga, yung binigay lang sa'yo is distance, which is a one-dimensional information. One-dimensional information like this is called scalar quantity. So, tatanungin mo yung kaibigan mo, saan? Anong direction from the home? And then when you are told that it's 50 kilometers in the northeast direction, okay, you have now the precise information of the location of that particular treasure. And now, it becomes two-dimensional. Meron siyang distance and meron siyang direction. So, the treasure pot is probably right here. Two-dimensional information like this is called a vector quantity. Scalar quantities are one-dimensional and vector quantities are two-dimensional. Speed is a very good example of what we call in physics a scalar quantity kasi nga it only indicates magnitude kaya lang walang direction. So, ganun yung scalar quantities. Magnitude only but there is no specific direction. In case of velocity, however, the direction is stated and that's why it is referred to as a vector quantity. A vector quantity involves not just the magnitude but also the direction. When you add directional information to speed, what happens is that it becomes velocity. Okay, and this velocity will be called a vector quantity. The additional information makes it more specific. Temperature change, for example, is one-dimensional quantity. But when we say tataas at bababa yung temperature, then it is two-dimensional. So, when we look at various scalar and vector quantities, we will be provided with another examples or a much deeper example when we try to study more about physics. So, we will look at various scalar and vector quantities in our next lessons. And at the same time, you will be meeting quantities such as speed, velocity, distance, displacement, mass, weight, force, and acceleration. The more we look at this, the clearer these concepts will become. So that's it for today's lecture. I hope, guys, you have learned something from this video. And if you have any questions, just put your questions down in the private comment below, or you can ask me directly through Google Classroom. See you again in the next video.